Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Chisel Magduwa. For today's video, we are going to Tias Falls. And before we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Let's go!
In the embrace of the morning sun, life awakens, a new day begun. The dew-kissed grass, a shimmering sea, whispers secrets of what it means to be free. The gentle murmur of the brook nearby carries tales of the mountains reaching for the sky. Each ripple a reminder that time flows on, an echo of laughter, a sigh of the dawn. Look up at the trees, their branches outstretched, like arms welcoming dreams, and their beauty where each leaves dance in the breeze, a ballet of green, teaching us to sway, to be light and serene. The blossoms unfold, vibrant colors ignite, each petal a promise of hope and delight. They bloom in the chaos in sunshine and rain, a testament to courage through joy and through pain. Mountains rise like giants, steadfast and grand, their peaks touch the heavens, while rooted in the sun. They stand through the ages, through storm that may rage, reminding us all to be strong on life's stage. A shadow stretches long, and the sun starts to fade. We gather our stories, the paths that we've made. The twilight whispers softly, a lullaby sweet. In the stillness of dusk, our hearts skip a bit. The river flows gently, a ribbon of time, winding through valleys with rhythm and rhyme. It carves out the earth, shaping what's near, just as a life shapes us through joy and through fear. Each pen tells a story, each twist a new chance, inviting us onward to join the dance. For life is a journey, unpredictable and wild. It's a tapestry woven, both tender and styled. The cycle of seasons, a dance ever true, teaches us patience that change can renew. In spring, we find promise, in summer, our fire, in autumn, the beauty of letting go higher. Even winter with its chill holds a quiet grace, a time for reflection, for slowing our pace. In the stillness, we listen, we learn to be still, to find strength in silence, to embrace the will. So let us wander where the wild things grow, where the heart finds its peace and the spirit can glow. For in every sunset, in each star's gentle light, we discover a place in the tapestry of night. With each step through the forest, each breath of the air, we connect with the earth, with love that we share. For in nature's embrace, we find our true home. In the heart of the wild, we're never alone. The mountains, the rivers, the skies up above whisper the truths of this life we call love. So listen, dear traveler, to nature's sweet call. In its arms you will find the essence of all. Embrace every moment. Let wonder unfold, for life is a story waiting to be told. In the canvas of nature, in the colors of day, we find a reflection in our own special way. Sa mga yakap ng kalikasan, nakakahanap ako ng kapayapaan, kung saan ang mga puno ay nagsisipagsabi ng mga lihim, ang mga ilog ay nagpapalaya ng mga alalahanin, at mga bulaklak ay nagpapakita ng mga ngiti. Ang kalikasan ay isang obrang maestra, nilikha ng may kapal, may makulay na nagpapakita. Ang mga tanawin, mga hugis ng mga bundok, at mga ilog, mga daanan ng mga buhay. Sa katahimikan, marinig ko ang hininga ng kalikasan, ang mga tunog ng mga hayop, ang mga himig ng mga ibon, ang kalikasan na isang musika na nagpapakita ng mga emosyon. Sa paglubog ng araw, nagsimula ang mga bituin na magising, ang kalikasan na isang celestial na tapestry na nagpapakita ng mga lihim ng buhay at ang mga ngiti ng tao. Sa yakap ng kalikasan, nakakahanap ako ng aking tahanan kung saan ang pag-ibig at paggawa ng mga hemno magpakailanman, maglalakbay, maaaring mananatiling mga hininga ng kalikasan sa aking kaluluwa, nagpabatid sa akin tungo sa isang buhay na ganap.